NASA just released a way to find your name on Earth. You must have seen these types of photos on Instagram trending very quickly. All you have to do is just type your name and website will generate your name photo with the real pictures which is really exist. To generate your name, just open Google app, tap on search and just type your name on landsat and just search it and you will see this search result. Just click on science.nasa government. After clicking on this link, you will see this interface. Now just tap on enter name and just write your name. For example, I am typing my name and just click on enter. And you can see it looks amazing. And to download the photo, just click on this download symbol.